So in rebuilding the Cougar motor, I decided to draw file all the rods, strengthen them up, get all the casting marks out and all the weak spots out. Took a lot of time, a lot of effort to do. Took about 2.5 to 3 hours per side of draw filing because you can only go in one direction. But in the end, I think it's worth it. They look really nice, certainly, but it also strengthens them up. And for the horsepower that we're planning on getting out of this, we're looking a little over 500 horsepower. I think it's worth it. We ended up taking number 7 back out and replacing it because it wasn't quite right. There was a problem getting the piston pressed onto it. So number 7 was done twice, unfortunately, but that's how it goes sometimes. This is a little long, lots of different filing, so I'll come back in a minute and commentate on some more things here coming up. So that's the end of the draw filing and everything. All the rods are done. They turned out great. Got them pressed on. The Keith Black pistons pressed on there. 40 over pistons. Got a really aggressive Edelbrock cam. I don't know if you can even see the numbers on there. Got that put in. See that there. Got all the pistons put in, and then I painted it. I've never really painted a motor before, but that turned out pretty good also. So I got it all masked off and prepped and painted. It's fun doing this because I get to put all the new bits and parts on everything. So a new windage tray and a new oil pickup. It looks really good. I ended up putting all new rockers in there, lifters, so they got roller lifters, roller cam, stud kit for everything from not only the heads but the intake, the oil pan, everything. Trick flow heads, so big 202 intakes on it. So hopefully be able to handle the cam that's in there. I have the specs, I think, at the end of the video so you can see that. Got the rockers installed. There are those the Scorpion aluminum rockers, which they look good here, but nobody's going to ever see them, which is a little kind of a bummer, but got the intake on, and it's a Edelbrock CARB that's on there, 600 CFM. When I put the valve covers on, I actually ended up painting those forward blue also. I masked them all off because they were originally black. Put a 6-quart Canton front sump oil pan on there. MSD distributor and wires. I painted the exhaust manifolds white just for S&Gs more than anything else, just to kind of set it off. You can see the yellow dipsticks for both the oil pan and the power steering pump. So it turned out pretty good. There's all the specs on it there. Be back with more videos later.